And in my food processor, I have 2 sticks of cold butter cut into little cubes. I have 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and then I have the last, which is a half a cup. So total it's 2.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna put that in. And then what makes this special is I have this beautiful freeze-dried raspberry powder. You could use raspberry powder, you could use strawberry, blueberry, anything like that, or even beet powder if you get a really good beet powder that smells and tastes sweet. Perfect. And you just blend it till it starts to come together in a ball, and you're gonna press it together more anyway, but look how pretty. And then this is parchment paper, and I usually line my baking sheet underneath my pie plate with parchment just because pies tend to boil over a lot, so you want to have something there to catch any drips so that it doesn't mess up the bottom of your oven. And the sides in. Beautiful pink pie crust. So this just goes into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, especially in the summertime, just to make sure your dough is nice and cold. And then here is my filling. I used a 11-ounce jar of organic raspberry jam, 2 cut up apples. They were Gala apples, and I didn't peel them because I don't mind a peel on an apple in my apple pies, and the peel is so pretty too. And then I added 1 cup of applesauce when we're ready to fill the pie. So I'm just gonna let this gently simmer away until the apples are nearly cooked, but not all the way completely mushy. So here is our dough. You just give it a little extra knead. You don't want it to get too hot from your hands, but you want to spread that beautiful raspberry color in more. And I'm keeping it on the parchment so protect my counter. So here is that lovely applesauce and jam mixture, and it's not hot, it's just barely warm, and it's thickened. And that's why I like to use jam, because to supplement the fruit, because the jam already has the pectin in it that it needed to become jam in the first place. So you don't have to mess with cornstarch or anything like that.